Here's one of the worst things you can possibly do as a real estate agent: hiding things from your client just so you can get the sale or get them to sign that contract. Do not hide things that you know about the house, especially if you're working with a buyer and you know there are issues and you see it because you work a lot and you actually see a lot of properties and you see that this is a common problem. Let's say you see an oil tank pipe that's taken out of the ground, and if you see that, you should definitely tell your buyer that, hey, there's a possibility of an oil tank here. Let's ask the listing agent, let's ask the seller. The other thing too is that do not lie to your clients. Do not lie to your clients just so you get them to like you or anything like that, because they will eventually find out. If you're in a business for a very long term and you want to make sure that you continue to be in the business, you want to make sure that you're honest with your clients, because that reputation that you will have will go a long way. And then if people start knowing and telling other people that you're not an honest real estate agent and all you care is about the commission because you care about yourself and not your client, you're not going to stay in business for too long. So make sure, guys, if you are, especially real estate agents, make sure that you do the best thing that you can for your client, and not just because you want to make the sale or you want to get them to sign that paperwork, because you're in the business for long term and you don't want to hurt anybody's interest.